Right guys, I thought I'd show the software I haven't demonstrated yet, which is Google Sheets. It should be a quick video. This is comparable to any spreadsheet software. Obviously the most popular one would probably be Microsoft Excel. There are others out there. Now this is limited in features compared to Excel, but it serves the purpose for what I believe the majority of people would actually need to use it for. With the added benefit and feature of, again, this magic share button. So it's loading and share. I haven't named the sheet, so that's what the problem is. But also we've got the statistics there, and we've got a live chat, which I haven't mentioned yet. But basically, Google is built for global use. You could have someone working from home, you could have someone working from the other side of the world, and rather than making a change and battling, should I make this change, should I make that change, and having a forward and backwards, you can actually have a conversation about actually how do we move forward. So you can actually have a dialogue within the Google Sheets environment, Slide environment, and Docs environment.